If the air conditioning system isn't working, one thing to check before booking a service call is the electrical breakers. Your breaker panel will be located in the garage, utility room, or even sometimes on the outside of your house. First, you are going to find the breaker for the indoor unit, air handler. The breaker should be labeled air handler, A/H, heat, or furnace. The breakers will be located at the top or bottom of the electrical panel. There will be 2-pole or double breakers, the bigger ones except for the furnace system. They will be a single pole breaker, skinny one. After finding the breaker, check to see if the hammer breaker switch is in the on, off, or middle position. Make a mental note of the position, then move to the off position. Next, look for the outside unit, condenser breaker label that could be labeled air conditioner, A/C, condenser, CON, or compressor sometimes. When the condenser breaker is located, check to see if the hammer breaker switch is in the on, off, or middle position. Make a mental note of the position, then move to the off position. The last step is to wait 30 seconds and flip both breakers to the on position simultaneously. Most HVAC will have a delay of 5 minutes before starting. Please wait 5–10 minutes for the system to resume operation. If the A/C system runs but cuts off in hours, a few days, or never resumes, you must book a service appointment. Never do this more than 3 times before calling for a service appointment. If working intermittently, do not flip breakers before the service appointment so the technician can read the default codes. Some HVAC systems, the flipping breakers will reset the default codes that the tech will need for troubleshooting. If you have already checked the float switch and the AC system is still down, it is time to call Hot to Cold AC Repair Tampa for service. Please inform us that you checked the float switch and the position of the breakers.